This video is a little guide to find the correct videos on our website to make it easier as we're going to add more so you can find out where they are. When you go to the videos on our website, they're grouped by theme. So if we go to mastertech.com on the home page, at the top right here you have a link to videos, and when you're on the videos, before you click on anything, you'll see that there is a little sentence to try to explain what's in there, and you have mainly 7 themes. So I want to go over those real quick. They're pretty straightforward, but it's worth trying to explain what it is so that it's easy for you to find the information. So already I can tell you that most of the time what you're going to be using are the videos in administration or in dashboard. We'll go through them in a minute, but it's number 3 and it's number 5. So the first link is installation videos. So this will cover videos where you install the program for the first time, where you add the program to another computer. It's already installed, but you want to add it to another computer, and if you want to move the program to another computer. The second part is when you first start managing biostatistics, usually there is no data, so you need to create a company. There are two ways to do this. You can really be very quick and do the least work and just create the statistics, or you can just follow the wizard and try to set it up. That's just for the first time. Step 3 is what I told you earlier. Every time you want to change something in your companies, every time you want to add something, we're going to do that in administration. So making changes to your setup in administration, link number 3. In the program, you just click on the administration button. And if you want to add something, users, employees, posts, or statistics, you do that there. If you want to change something about users, employees, posts, or statistics, it's also there. The next link will be all the videos concerning the cloud. So this is how to set up the cloud, how to use the cloud, how to invite a guest user. When you're on the cloud account, you can invite somebody to look at your statistics. And also, of course, if you make changes to your company, you will need to update the cloud features. So that's also included in there. Number 5, we talked about this earlier. This is probably where you will spend most of your time. These are your daily tasks in management biostatistics. So to detail them, in number 5, you will go to dashboard on the bottom left corner of the program. This is where you go to enter values and quotas. This is where you view, print, compare statistics. Here you can change the display of your statistic graphs. You can also work on groups. And this is also where you go to write and or edit conditions and battle plans. So most of your daily tasks will be done in dashboard. Now we have two other links. In demonstration and overview videos, these are videos where you can get quick information about what is possible with Managed by Statistics 3, the main features, and there's also a lengthy demonstration of how, well, after it's installed, how you can set it up and how you what you can do with it. So this is useful if you don't have the time to contact us or if you want on your own to see what the program can do. And then finally, 7, those are seminar videos by R.T. Marin, the consultant. This is more about the theory of management by statistics. So to summarize, the videos are all on one page, but they're grouped by theme. And if you look at the themes, they're explained here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Otherwise, just watch this video to see where you need to go.